everyone, you're welcome back to NG Styles Organic Beauty Tips. So today we'll be making some goji berry extract. So in this jar I have about 50% vegetable glycerin and 50% distilled water. Then with 0.5% liquid Jama Plus as preservative. Okay, so that's what I use to make this solution. 50% vegetable glycerin, 50% distilled water, 0.5% liquid Jama Plus as our preservative. Then here I have about 25 grams of goji berry seed. Make sure your goji berry is very dried, okay? When you get your goji berries, sometimes you see them sticky to each other. So what I normally do is I spread them out on a sheet and allow it to dry properly, like leave it out for like 2 or 3 days for it to dry out properly. So make sure yours is dried because you don't need any extra moisture that can create that may create molds in your extract or your formulation. So I'm going to add this to this solution. Please check my other video. I have video on how to make this solution on my channel. Try to shake it. Just search for extract. You will see how I made the solution. Okay, so to make the solution is very simple. Just choose how the quantity you want to make. Like here I am making 200 grams. So what I did is measure 50% of vegetable glycerin and 50% of distilled water. Okay, then add 0.5% of the total amount, 0.5% of liquid Jama Plus, that is of the total amount, the 200 gram I am making. Okay, so that's how to calculate it. I have a video on how to make that solution. You mix the solution together, that's how you get your solution. Okay, so after adding the seed in it, stir it properly so that the seeds can submerge. You can see it's light now, white, because it has not started extracting. So go ahead and cover it. So after covering it, remember to label. So the next thing I'm going to do now is label it. To label, I'm going to write what we have in the jar. So it's called goji berry extract in glycerin and water. Okay, I have to do that so that I can know, to let myself know what I have in the jar. So normally I will put 50/50 to let me know that I have 50/50 solution here, that this is not 100% glycerin, because you can extract your fruit, vegetable and plants in different ways. You can do the 100% extract, which I made in my last video when I did hibiscus glycerate. It was made with 100% glycerin, no water, and that was the reason why there was no preservative in it. You can make this also as 70/30, that is 70% of glycerin and 30% of distilled water also. Then you add your preservative. Whenever you add water to anything, you should add preservative. Okay, and this is water soluble product, so make sure you use water soluble preservative in your in it. Okay, so that is it. So here is the saffron I made last time, and as you can see, I made it also with 50/50, and you can see the color very nicely. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.